Hello everyone, my name's MummaTato and I normally do some heyday videos and gameplay videos with my audience, but we've been talking a lot amongst the other creators and they'd like to use some of the things that I do in my stream. I'm still learning, but this is something that I've learned to do, so I thought I might share that with you today. Okay, so first of all, we need to have two screens open. We want to have our Nightbot screen open and be logged in, and you want to have your ChatGPT open because I'm going to copy and paste. So because we're working in code, you don't want to miss any apostrophes, dashes, dots, end of brackets, anything like that. So we want to copy and paste the code part of this. So open your command section and go into your commands, however you say it in your country. And you always want to have your ChatGPT open. As you can see, I use ChatGPT for everything. So let's make a command. Let's just quickly have a look through my commands first, and you can see. I'll bring that one on top so you can see them all. So I have some just general ones. I had some ones there for Halloween, be right back, chance, that works like an 8 ball. Sometimes we have a bit of a joke about cleaning your room. What kind of coffee do you want? What you're going to have a cuppa rather than that. Wheel of Fortune. Now I'm going to remove that one because we're going to make that one again to show you what to do. So like a Wheel of Fortune kind of thing, get well, people have ice cream. We've got a few for specific people. And what ice cream, spin the wheel kind of thing, what time it is. Now that's a really good one that anybody can use, that whatever your stream is, people can type in time and they can see what their time is relative to someone else's. So like I'm in Australia, so I might put in New York to see what time it is for somebody that's come into my chat. Trick or treat, we did one. Now my very most popular one is weather. So ask ChatGPT to make it for you, because if you have a Mac or something else, you might have a better weather server than mine. So I just asked it to make me a weather command. So for me, when people write in the chat, they write weather with a gap and then their town, and it will show up for them whatever their weather is. Now you could copy this if you would like to. These emojis aren't important, they're just there, but I would get ChatGPT to make it for you and copy and paste it in, and I'll show you how to do that in just 1 second. But I just thought we'd have a quick look down about what we have there. Okay, so we need to go up to new command, and we are going to put things here with the exclamation mark and the word after it, just like you see tags and things like that in the stream already. Okay, so I've gone to ChatGPT. We've got our ChatGPT window open. Can you make me a command called ELF? I like to be specific on what it's called because in the past it's made up random words and spelt strange, and sometimes my audience gets confused in how it's written. So just try and make it the word that you want it to be. So can you make me a command called ELF and make up funny names, etc. randomly? Okay, so it came back in seconds with ELF. So let's copy and paste ELF into that section there. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to copy the code. We don't want to miss out anything, and we just want to copy and paste, and that's the easiest way to get it right. And we're going to make this for everyone. So what did we end up with? An ELF named Crumb Snatcher has been assigned to you. An elf called Tappy Toes is now involved. Warning, Elf McSprinkle has an opinion. So that's just some fun things that we can add there, and we press create and it's now in our commands just like the other ones. So next I made one that was called stocking, and I've asked ChatGPT, call the next command stocking and have fun random replies. Okay, So now we have, it's given you the sections, so it's given you the bit that you can copy for, oops, using the mouse is my trouble, so copy, new command, paste, copy the code, give it a second, and there it goes. So in the stocking you have found chocolate, a Christmas miracle. That's my kind of Christmas miracle. Surprise, it's farm tools. Well, we have a heyday stream, so it's remembering things that I do. Jackpot, chocolate coins have appeared. So just things like that. You can go absolutely crazy. There's so many things that you can do and add to your stream. The weather one I think is the best. You want to do that one so that it's relevant to your town. So ask ChatGPT to make it. You can make stuff for all types of times of the year and have a lot of fun with it. So if you've enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments. It's a little different than the stuff that I've done before, but I'm always learning on new things to stream, and so I'd love to share it with you as I learn it. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and you can see what else I do on YouTube. Thanks everyone.